Okay, so good evening everyone. So for today's video po, I'm going to share with you kumbaga this is the third version of my stem cell presentation, sponsored by Red Footprint and Reway Triad. So basically yung Reway Triad po is just a business unit of the Red Footprint. So parang it's a group, no? And I'm the managing partner of the Reway Triad and also a leader under Red Footprint. Okay? So again, this is the third um, version of my video presentation talking about stem cell therapy and yung tinatawag natin na preterm placenta. Okay? So by the way, I'm Louis Pure, no? Sa hindi pa po nakakaalam. So I'm a full-time distributor under Reway International. And then at the same time, I'm handling my group here in Davao as well as different parts of the Philippines. So currently po, meron akong new member. Nasa Laguna siya ngayon. Then I'm currently helping her na makarecover yung father niya because yung father niya has a colon cancer stage 4. Okay, so currently he's taking our therapy and hopefully makarecover agad. Okay, so let's get started po. Okay, so the name of the company, before we are going to start with our presentation talking about stem cell therapy, introduce ko muna yung company. Okay, so the company itself is Reway. So yung short term ng Reway, that's Reway. Then yung ano niya, yung uh, tawag dito, yung real na definition niya is right way. Okay, so sabi ng company, no, ng CEO mismo, is that basically yung reason why he named it after right way because when you do this kind of advocacy, kasi we're not just talking about money, but also an advocacy, helping people with different illnesses. It's the good thing always na dapat mong maisip when you do this, or it's your principle na you have to keep in mind that you're doing this business because you're helping other people na makarecover sa illness nila. So what happens if wala na po silang budget to sustain their health, no? So they have to do this business. Pero kung hindi po sila naka-login, or I mean hindi po sila nagpa-member, hindi sila naka-register because hindi mo po sila ni-register, binigyan mo lang sila ng therapy. So what happens? Hindi na nila ma-enjoy yung mga other benefits ng company. So that is one of the reasons why we are educating people na not just take this product but also do this as their advocacy. At the same time, no, parang i-treat nila as their own business. Because later on, if they will enjoy the benefits, magkakaroon sila ng free products. At the same time, these points will be converted into cash. Yung sinasabi ko na bonus. But later on, we'll discuss that. So, Reway started in Singapore, year 2008. And then, the company decided to open Malaysia because nag-expand na yung revenue. Ibig sabihin, marami na pong gumagaling because of the therapy. So it means to say that the product is really effective. Now, the third branch is in Taiwan. No, we open Taiwan. The company opens Taiwan. Then China. We have different branches in China, not just one branch. And then Thailand. We also opened Hong Kong, and then Indonesia, and then Philippines. Sa Philippines naman po, we started year 2016 sa MOA compound. Okay, yan yung pinakaunang branch or office ni Reway International dito sa Philippines. Then, we also opened Davao last August 2018 sa Robinson Cybergate Delta. Yan yung main office naman ng Mindanao. Kasi until now, wala pa po tayong another office within Mindanao. And then we also opened Iloilo and Cebu last August 2019, last year na po. Then we also opened Japan, Myanmar, And then we also opened Denmark. Di ba? Can you just imagine? Ngayon ko lang to nalaman na dito pa sa Denmark nag-open yung Reway. Okay? And then Czech Republic, di ba? Can you believe that? Meron na tayong branch sa Europe. And then, this is the isa sa mga events natin last 2018, sorry. Okay. I think nakasali ako sa event na to. Yes, it is attended by 75,000 people, no? In different countries all over the world. Yan. Nandyan po ako. So 75,000, do you think, di ba? 75,000. Can you just imagine? It means to say these are mga patients before ni Reway na naging distributors ni Reway. Okay, imagine ha, 2008 pa lang po nag-start ang company. So, almost 13 years pa lang sa business, pero ang grabe, no? Ang dami ng mga realization na nangyari, and then the company really grow so fast. Ayan. Ang elegant ng event na to. Is one of the biggest events. According sa mga nakausap namin na mga Singaporean during that time, no? That was December 2018. Sabi nila, this is the only company, the only direct selling company na puno yung was able to have a reservation on this stage, on this kind of event. Usually kasi yung mga may ganitong event na malaki is related to government activities lang. But this is the only private company na nakapuno po ng ganitong event, ng ganito kalaki na venue.
Adalah mencapai sebuah hasil tadinya diragukan oleh orang lain.
Actually, you can also watch related videos talking about Reway. So I will na longer na tapusin to. Okay, so this is the actual event. So nandyan po ako. Bale, nung nag-start po ako, isa pa lang yung member ko, which is si Vanessa Te. And then also under my organization, which is Reway Triad. And we are also under Red Footprint. So by the way, yung nag-introduce sa akin ng therapy na to si Mr. Jedboy Trago. He's one of our elite 3-star, no? Siguro umabot na siya ng around, let's say, mga 7 or 8 million in total income. So, hindi naman sa pagbabrag, it means to say that this leader is very effective in guiding his leaders. That's why umabot siya ng ganong income. Just imagine, from June 2018 nag-start siya until at present. Now, hindi na po siya bumababa ng 300 to 500,000 na monthly. Okay? Now, ako naman, as a member of Reway, so yung current rank po ko po is Diamond 2-star. So, pag Diamond 2-star ka, hindi ka na bumababa ng 200 to 250,000 a month. So, yan yung current na rank ko po. So, because of this company, I was able to go to Singapore, Dubai, no? And Thailand. Ayan. So, yan po yung mga international na mga travels na na-enjoy ko po sa company. And these are my people. Yung mga co-advocates ko po, my co-business partners. Ayan. Yun nasa picture po. Yan. So, by the way, this is our offices in the Philippines. So, we have yung sa taas po is, yan yung Davao, Robinson Cybergate Delta. And then yung nasa baba is, yun yung MOA compound. Okay, sa 5 Ecom Center. Yan. So, ito naman po, naka-attend din ako 2018, last year of September. So, this is a Leaders Recognition Night. So, if you happen to have this rank, like for example, Diamond 1-star to Diamond 2-star, etc., so you'll be able to go up and stage. yung mga tao ko nakaakyat po sila, pero unfortunately me, kasi that time bagong-bago pa lang ako nakauwi galing ng Dubai, so I was not able to have this stage because wala pa po akong rank that time. I was able to have my rank last October
2019
October when I think 2019 or 2020. Yeah, 2020 I think. 2020 last this year lang. So nakuha ko yung rank ko 2020. I no, last year. Sorry. Last year 2020. So after a month nung pag-attend ko ng event na to. Maybe because na-inspire ako sa idea of having a rank, no? Other than nawala po talaga. Though I'm already earning that time, pero mas mabuti pa rin na meron kang rank so that others will be inspired by your rank or your achievement, kumbaga. Yun po. So, dito po explain ko lang, no? The main reason why we are doing this advocacy because of this following, kumbaga yung tinatawag natin na top 10 killers. Now, we are not just doing this business or doing this advocacy just to make money. Okay? So, hindi po natin pag-uusapan yon. So, number one na reason po natin na we are doing this is because of heart disease. Alam natin na based on the World Health Organization, they declare this, na sinasabi nila, in year 2016, up until present, at least 54% of the total population, especially in developing country like the Philippines, will experience this kind of diseases. Okay? Kung wala po silang any other option na gagawin, they just keep on having their own lifestyle na very unhealthy. So they definitely experience this kind of different diseases. And I myself, I will not, hindi ko po gusto na magkaroon ng ganitong sakit. That is why I invested my money in availing this kind of therapy, this stem cell therapy. And also my father and mother and also my mother-in-law and father-in-law already enjoying the benefit of taking the product, and also my wife. By the way, yung father ko po has been diagnosed of heart enlargement from a high blood. No, high blood lang po siya before, but naging heart enlargement siya because nung time na nagpapakonstruct pa kami ng bahay, no, ginawa naming 2-story yung bahay namin. Yung ginawa niya is assist siya sa tumutulong siya, in short. And then one time, no, sumakit yung heart niya, and then nagpa-check up sa doctor. So nag-take siya ng medicines na prescribe ng doctor, pero hindi po siya gumaling doon. And then advice ng doctor na na lang siya, na magkaroon ng operation. Pero sinabi ko na wag ka na mag-operation, take mo lang yung per year, 4 bottles lang, gumaling na po yung father ko. Naka-recover siya, in short. Okay? Pero tinuloy niya pa rin po yung 6 months therapy. Now, ito yung isa lang sa mga diseases. Yung pangalawa po is stroke. Okay? Yung lolo ko naman nag-stroke, naging stroke patient din siya. Pero unfortunately, before pa po dumating yung Peter Placenta sa life namin, wala na po siya. Okay, unfortunately. Sayang, baka sana, no, gumaling pa yung lolo ko when he took this, kumbaga. Kung meron lang sana, no, that time, kung na-introduce na sa amin that time, pero hindi po Hindi po nangyari yun. Then, the third one is Alzheimer's disease. It means, yung tinatawag natin na dementia, usually pag old age na, kakaroon ng ganito, no? Nawawala yung memory. Parang nagiging bata, hindi na alam kung ano yung saan pupupo, yung mga ganun na mga sakit. Then, lung cancer, of course, talking about lung cancer is related to, hindi naman necessary na related to smoking, pero there are several factors na nagiging lung cancer pag chain smoker po tayo. Yan. And then 5 is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Same din, no? Chain smoker din, usually. And then 6th one is lower respiratory infections. And then colon cancer, ito naman related to sa food. Then diabetes, related sa food din, especially sugar or carbs. And then kidney disease, okay? And then, so food and breast cancer. So, ang pinaka main or common reasons why we are experiencing this kind of diseases is number one, because of our aging population. Of course, we are all aging. Hindi naman tayo nagre-reverse aging as we go old, di ba? So, tumataas po yung age natin. So, pag tumataas po yung age natin as we grow old, umaabot na tayo ng 50 years old, for example, yung cells kasi natin, nag-stop na siya na mag-regenerate. Okay? By the time we reach 50 years old. That's why there are a lot of people na pumatong sa ganitong age, 50 years old, pataas, they will experience this kind of diseases. How much more yung mga bata, no? I mean, yung mga bata din, nakaka-experience ng mga ganito. How much more yung mga 50 pataas? Kasi nga, wala nang regeneration of cells na nangyayari. Hindi na tatanggal yung mga old cells, no? Walang gano'n na nangyayari sa 50 years old pataas. Then, because of also of wrong diet, so we experience yung, di ba, yung ginagawa natin ngayon, especially this pandemic, what we are doing is, instead of cooking healthy foods, yung ginagawa natin, we usually just order sa Foodpanda, sa Grab, no? Ano pa yung mga common na mga delivery na mga services yung ginagawa natin. We just order, keep on ordering lang. So we don't notice that these products or these foods that we order, hindi pala sila safe, hindi pala sila healthy. Okay? Kasi mga fast foods po yan. And then, number 3 na reason is because of inevitable stress. Di ba pag nandiyan na si Judith or kinatawag natin si Jonah, di ba? It means that if there are bills na you have to pay, di ba? We look for opportunities na dapat mabayaran ko to lahat, yung mga utang na yan or mga bills na yan. Kasi pag hindi po, nasi-stress tayo. Because yung mga tao na kinikulit din tayo ng mga tao kinikulit tayo ng mga company na dapat bayaran mo yan kasi putulan kita ng kuryente, yung mga ganun, di ba? So, we experience that a lot. And then, the fourth one, because of the pollution. Ano yung mga pollution? Like, air pollution, noise pollution, no? Different kinds of pollution, lahat na po, all in all. So, yung apat na yan, these are what we call leading causes of the deadly illness. And it has reached a bottleneck crisis in today's medical science. Ito yung mga reasons why we keep on experiencing this kind of diseases, especially cancer. Yan po. So, what we are going to talk about to this evening or for this evening is what we call as pure placenta. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng pure tear? So, ibig sabihin po niyan is purity of the deer. So, saan po nanggaling yung stem cell? Nanggaling po siya sa deer placenta, yung inunan ng deer. So, we're going to talk about that later, but I'm going to emphasize this. This is a 6th edition, what we are talking about. So, nanggaling po siya sa first, and then second, third, and fourth, and then finally, and then fifth, and then finally, we have the 6th edition. It's made in New Zealand. Okay? So, why we choose New Zealand po? Because this is the cleanest country in the world today, until now, and generations before. And nakita natin na ito yung pinaka-advance yung medical science na ginagamit nila. So, kompleto na po sila ng laboratories. And this stem cell, umabot po siya ng 10 million clinical trials before po natin ni-release sa market, sa public. And for me, this is the most affordable stem cell therapy that you're going to experience in your entire life. So we are also considering this as an answer to reverse aging. Okay, you heard it right po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of testimonies. We have 4 million testimonies going on sa different countries, worldwide na po siya, that are experiencing this reverse aging. Okay, so later, I'm going to show you some of the testimonies. Okay, so ang question is, saan ba nanggaling yung stem cell talaga? By definition. Kumbaga, ano ba talaga yung foundation ng stem cell? We are not just talking about yung, hindi po tayo nag-uusap ng dear placenta pa. We're here to talk about first the stem cell, kung saan siya nanggaling. So, kung familiar kayo ng sperm, no? And ovum or egg cell, yung sperm po, kung sa ano pa yan, sa human, no, sa tao pa yan, yung sperm nanggaling sa lalaki. Okay? Correct me if I'm wrong. Tama ba? And then yung egg cell naman, nanggaling po yun sa babae. Now, if the male and female, nag-make love po sila, yung halimbawa, yung married couple, nag-make love, no? Then, pag make love po nila, eventually po mabubuo yung stem cell doon sa katawan ng, saan ba? Sa katawan ng babae. Because doon po sila mag-combine. So, it becomes a single stem cell. Now, after 24 hours, magkakaroon po tayo ng duplication. So, hindi lang po siya isang stem cell. So, magre-regenerate po siya. Magkakaroon ng ibang stem cell na naman. So, mag-multiply siya in short. And then, after 48 hours, it becomes a blastocyst. Okay? If you're familiar with this, na-tackle na daw to sa biology, pero hindi ko po na-remember eh. So, according to them, no, it's basically, ito yung biology na including po to sa biology class natin. Then, after how many months? 3 to 4 months time, it becomes another form of stem cell, which are intestinal stem cell, liver stem cell, nerve stem cell, heart stem cell, lung stem cell, up to 300 different types of stem cells in our body. Now, in the womb's body. Okay, so sa mother. So by 9 months time, it becomes a baby. Okay? So to cut it short, from sperm, then egg, then stem cell, and then it becomes a baby, to cut it short, we are all came from stem cell. Okay? So it means, if nanggaling po tayo sa stem cell, basically, kung merong damage sa cells natin, merong damage sa organ natin, ibig sabihin, the only, should I say, part, no, of our body na makakatulong upang ma-repair whatever the damage inside our body is stem cell. The only, para sinasabi natin, na medicine. Wala pong ibang medicine na makakagamot sa atin, only stem cell therapy. Okay? So it is considered as the most basic form of all living things. Not just us human beings, but also plants, animals are made up of stem cells. Okay? And the second one is, kino-consider po siya as unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries, because up until now po, hindi pa natin ma-identify kung ano yung pinaka-peak na kayang gawin ni stem cells sa loob ng katawan natin. Because there are a lot of testimonies going on na kahit yung may cataract problem, na gagawan pa ng paraan through stem cell therapy. And then the third one is, it has miraculous abilities, because for me, this is the very first time that you're going to listen, to watch all the testimonies, including the technology itself na nagagawa ni stem cell, no, through its basic function, natural function niya. Okay? So miraculous talaga, because for me, before I joined becoming an advocate of Freeway, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, this is really true. Parang too good to be true kasi. Too good to be true. So sinabi ko, I have to attend several testimonies pa before I will join. Pero nung nakita ko na yung mga testimonies, and then I personally asked them, yung mga patients na naka-recover, and they said it's true, and there are a lot of laboratory results na pinakita nila, and it's really true. Yan. So in fact, there are also doctors who are actually users of this product, then naka-recover sila sa mga illness. Yan. So right now po, we have a lot of options na for us to be able to use or to take advantage of this kind of technology, which is stem cell therapy. First one is, may tinatawag na tayo na placenta injection. So, saan po kayo dapat magpunta? Sa Switzerland. Pero there are also in Japan, no, in Germany. Pero yung pinakauna kasi si Switzerland. So what you're going to do is, you have to travel from the Philippines going to Switzerland para magkaroon tayo ng placenta injection. Okay, so the cost for that is minimum of 1.2 to 1.5 million. Okay, you have to invest 1.2 to 1.5 million per session. Okay, if you're going to compute that, kasi minimum kasi 6 sessions. Kasi therapy kasi siya. So, sino po ba nakaka-avail nito? Only those famous and mga celebrities. Okay, so in short, mga mayayaman lang. But if you don't have that kind of money, so wag na tayong mag-usap regarding this one. The second one is, may tinatawag tayo na placenta injection sa beauty salon. Ito naman is, aside from, there are a lot of also beauty salon na medyo expensive sila, but yung safety concern doon, questionable because they are non-professionals. Meron naman professionals pero outside lang po yung ina-address niya, no? What I'm trying to say is that kung skin lang yung gusto mo i-address, yun lang din i-address niya. Pero talking about health, hindi niya po na-address yun. Then, the third one is itong stem cell transplant. So, yung ginagawa po, if you have a problem in your left eye, and then your right eye has no problem, what they are doing is, they are going to extract sa right eye na walang problem, extract silang stem cell and ililipat po sa left eye na may problem. Pero, yung sad thing doon is wala pong anesthesia on the process. Because pag meron pong anesthesia, no, gagamitan po ng anesthesia, mamamatay po yung stem cell. So, hindi na po siya effective. And it's very costly because you're going to invest 800,000 for this operation. Okay? Now, the fourth one is, meron tayong tinatawag na healthy lifestyle. What we're doing is we have to exercise 15 to 30 minutes a day, and then we have to eat healthy foods, and then we have to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Kailangan wala ka ring stress, walang pollution. It means this is ineffective and yung persistency is very questionable. Okay? Because you have to do this daily. Kung hindi mo po siya magawa daily, it means hindi po magre-regenerate yung cells natin. Okay? Kailangan i-consider mo lahat ng factors. Now, talking about the cord blood banking naman, if you're talking about this, ang gagawin po is, pag na si mother, no? Pag panganak ni mother sa kanyang baby, the first born baby or second born, so yung gagawin po, dun sa pusod ng baby, kukunan po siya ng stem cell, yung cord blood, sa umbilical cord. And they are going to store it, no, sa freezer sa mga hospitals na may ganitong technology. And then up to 20 years, no, kaya niya pong stay for 20 years na kung may mangyari kay baby, magkaroon siya ng critical illness or si mother, pwede niya po i-take. Pero yung cost ng storage, ng pag-store mo ng stem cell, it will cost you around 500,000 to 800,000 per year. Yan po yung expenses. Then last one is adult stem cell banking. So what you're going to do, if ikaw po yung gusto na magkaroon ng ganitong process, what you're doing as a doctor, mag-extract po sila sa bone marrow po ninyo, and then ililipat sa any part of your body na may problem. But the problem, again, is it's very costly. Around 800,000 yung kailangan mo invest for this. And then the second one is adult na po yung stem cells natin. So, hindi na rin siya ganun ka-effective. Though effective pa rin po based on the doctors, based on the patients na nakausap namin, but it's very costly. And hindi siya bata yung stem cell. So, the question now, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? That is why we are here. Diba? To talk about this one. So, ito po yung Auralive Cell modern technology na ginamit ni company, ni Riway. So, the first one is freeze-drying technology. What they are doing is, from the deer placenta po, yun sa inunan ng deer, ililipat po yun, no, extract, ililipat dito sa freezer. For at least 3 to 4 years time, it keeps the stem cell bioactive. Ibig sabihin, kahit bago or matagal na, basta within 3 to 4 years time, buhay pa po yung cells na in-extract natin from the deer placenta. Bakit po kinoconsider natin dapat buhay or live cell? Because kung hindi po siya buhay or powderized po yung stem cell, hindi po siya ganun ka-effective. Probably hindi talaga siya effective. Mas maganda po talaga if this stem cell are live. Okay? The second technology that we use or the company use is yung tinatawag natin na nitrogen fill technology, wherein yung oxygen po na nasa loob ng stem cell, tatanggalin po siya, no? What you're doing is pagtanggal po ng oxygen, matatransfer tayo ng nitrogen, no? So from oxygen to nitrogen, okay? So para po maging live cell pa rin po yung stem cell natin and para mag-prevent yung oxidation. Kasi pag halimbawa lang, 'di ba, pag nag-cut ka ng apple, 'di ba? Mag-cut ka ng apple for example. After 5 to 10 seconds, what happens to apple is magba-brownish siya. Kasi because of the oxidation. So nagkakaroon ng bacteria sa loob ng apple. Same goes with stem cell. Okay? Ni-prevent natin na maging rancid po yung stem cell natin para maging effective po siya sa katawan natin. Then the third one is yung tinatawag natin na enteric-coated technology. So yung technology naman ito is pag inom mo ng capsule po, it's very specialized capsule, hindi po siya agad-agad matutunaw sa stomach. At least 60 to 80% of the content of our capsule na merong stem cell will be absorbed by our small intestine. So para dun siya ma-dissolve, no? Para dun siya mag-multiply, no? So para kumalat siya doon sa small intestine kasi din yung alkalinity level and dun siya mas effective yung stem cell, hindi po sa stomach. Okay? So withstand stomach acid designed to dissolve in intestine, maximizing absorption. Then the fourth one is yung tinatawag natin na emulsification technology. So it allows larger molecules to be absorbed by the bile chylomicron pathway. Okay, kahit large or kahit maliit yan, papasok po yan sa different parts in our body, especially yung sa pinakamaliit na ugat natin, which is sa part ng eyes natin. Kaya may sinabi ko kanina, there are a lot of patients na naka-recover yung cataract problem na address pa po because of this technology. And the last one is biosoftgel technology, ensures that the effective ingredients dissolve rapidly in the small intestine. Ibig sabihin po nito, kasi soft gel siya, madali lang po siyang bumababa, no? Dumadaloy from the stomach to the small intestine because of the soft gel technology or biosoftgel technology. Yan po. So these are all our ingredients combined into one capsule, no? For our 6th edition. So we have deer placenta, nucleoclavem, no? Fucoidan extract, apple polyphenol, dendrobium, marine collagen peptides, evening primrose oil, etc. So we have 12 ingredients to make sure that this stem cell therapy will be very effective in our body. So imagine, from 2008, as we started, same price pa rin po up until now. So we don't change the price. Ganun pa rin po, 20,880 per bottle. Okay? So, we have also safety certifications, reliable safety certifications, and international po sila. Number 1 is International FreeSea certification, and then we also have New Zealand GMP certification based on the main facility of the New Zealand and research plant po nila. Then we also have New Zealand Food Safety certification and Singapore, because our company is based in Singapore. That's why we also get the certification there, no? Singapore General Hospital Safety Test certification. Okay, then Singapore HSA Safety certification. If you notice, these two countries are first world countries. So ibig sabihin, hindi po sila magbibigay ng ganitong certification if these are not proven effective and safe to take. Then Federation of Islamic Association of New Zealand International Halal certification. So that's our certifications. How to take this therapy? Simple lang po. The first month that you're going to take this, kasi 6 months therapy siya, Pag sinabi ng 6 months, it's 7 bottles. So you have to take 2 bottles for the first month. So yung gagawin nyo po is, in the morning, you have to take 2 capsules before you have to eat your breakfast, or at least 30 minutes or 1 hour before eating. Kasi mas effective siya pag wala pa pong laman yung katawan natin. Wala pa pong laman na food, no? Yung intestine natin. And then after meal naman sa evening before you sleep. Okay? So ganun lang po yung cycle niya. And then the second month, isa-isa na lang po. Isa sa morning, isa sa evening until you reach the 6 months therapy. Okay? So reverse aging po na yung nangyari. And also, you will be recovered. So ito po yung small na video presentation talking about the product. So the first edition, so yan po yung bottle niya. Then the second edition, yan po yung bottle. Third edition, so we keep on upgrading our product. Yan po yung main reason niya, because the company just want to help people na agad-agad makarecover. So we keep on upgrading the product based on the effective ingredients na na-discover po ng company. Okay? So yan po yung latest na bottle natin ng ating Pure Placenta. So yan po. If you notice, it's very elegant po yung bottle natin. Pero hindi lang po siya ginawa just to become elegant. No? Ginawa po yan na bottle to make sure na hindi po madadamage yung loob ng cells ng capsules. Okay? Para maging effective talaga siya. Yan po. So we already explained this. So i-cut ko na lang po. So now, right now po, we have testimonies na ibibigay po sa inyo. The first one is nanggaling kay Mr. Raymond Tong. So meron po siyang heart problem. Okay? Has been hospitalized 4 times in 8 years. And then, nangyari po sa kanya, ito po yung sakit niya, meron siyang heart problem, year 2013, and then lumala po. Okay? Nagkaroon siya ng sakit, malalang sakit na related to heart, no? Na punta po siya sa critical control unit twice po. Okay? And then after 6 months of having this kind of therapy, this Pure Placenta, nag-reverse aging po si sir. At the same time, na-address po yung problem niya sa heart. Ayan. And then, si Mr. David Yu naman is 22 years diabetes patient po siya. So, before po na engage sa Pure, meron po siyang ganitong sakit. Diabetes patient po siya. And then, he's taking 4 insulin injections a day. So, almost blind because of the sugar level and skin pigmentation. Papansin nyo may mga medyo puting-puti na na sa skin niya is because of the insulin. No? So, side effect. So, if you're going to ask me, or I'm going to ask you, how old is Mr. David Yu? Di ba, papansin nyo parang 40s lang, no? Or 30s. Pero actually, that picture po, 65 years old na po si Mr. David Yu. Because of the reverse aging, parang bata ulit. Okay, si Ma'am Sherezade Balsomo naman is 69 years old from Davao. This one is from Davao na talaga. So, since I'm from Davao, so ito po yung isa sa mga testimony natin. So, si Ma'am Nancy or Sherezade Balsomo has a tumor, no, sa neck. Okay? So, after 6 months of doing this therapy, of taking the therapy po, naka-recover. Nawala po yung tumor or thyroid problem. Yan po. Then, si naman, this one is isa sa mga unique natin na mga testimony. Okay? So, this one, ang problem ni ma'am is she has this severe bronchial asthma. Taga Davao rin si ma'am. Okay? So, hospitalized since childhood. Okay? Every quarter po. So, ito yung mga maintenance medicines niya. So, number 1, steroids. No, tinitake niya once a day. Antihistamine, anti-asthma, bronchodilator, and etc. So, until 6 months, no, nag-decide po siya na mag-take from July until November of 2018. So, can you just imagine yung transition? Nakikita mo naman sa face pa lang ni ma'am, naka-recover talaga siya. Actually, she's advised by the doctor not to take these medicines at all. No, more than half of these medicines, dineclare po ng doctor na she doesn't need it anymore. Okay? So, that's why ngayon, very healthy na po si ma'am. And actually, nagbabasketball pa yan, nagbabalibol pa yan. From an asthma patient. Yan. Ito naman si Sir Patosa is meron po siyang COPD na condition. So, because of, chain smoker kasi Sir. So, yan po yung naging result ng kanyang lifestyle. But fortunately po, after Mr. Gerson Patosa is one of our members and leaders of Red Footprint. So, nag-decide po siya na mag-invest in Pretty Placenta. So, I think nag-credit card po sila. Then, pinainom kay father. Actually, nag-hesitate pa si father and yung mother niya kasi mahal yung therapy. But, pinush pa rin nila Gerson together with his sister, si Ma'am Maylene Amugis. So, nag-take po talaga si Sir until naka-recover po siya, finally. Reverse aging plus naka-recover sa illness. Then, ito naman si Ma'am Belinda Dabi, 64 years old from Davao. So, ang problem naman ni Ma'am is nanggaling po siya ng US, actually. So, 7 years po doon na ganito yung condition niya. So, according kay Ma'am, US is very advanced yung technology nila when it comes to medicine. But unfortunately, hindi po siya naka-recover doon. So, pag uwi po ng Davao, hindi po alam ng anak niya na meron siyang ganitong kondisyon. So, high blood pressure, no? And then meron siyang stroke, half body paralyzed po si ma'am for 7 years. Kasi nurse po siya doon. But after 6 months of taking the therapy po, naka-recover si ma'am. Nakalakad ulit. Yan. Yan na po yung second picture. Okay? So, ganun po kaganda yung ating therapy. Si Ma'am Nona Aquino naman is has an ovarian cancer. So, survivor po si Ma'am. So, after taking chemo, if you notice, no, kalbo na po si Ma'am sa first picture because of the chemo. So, according to her, hindi na po siya nakakalakad, no, because of the chemo. After 6 sessions of chemotherapy, meron pa rin pong natira na 13 marking, 13.5 na tumor marking sa katawan niya. But luckily po, after taking 2 months, after taking the Pirtia Placenta, from 13.5 naging 4.7 na lang until nilabas yung lab result after 6 months. She's now cancer-free after 6 months po. Can you believe that? So, yan po yung sakit niya, ovarian cancer stage 1C. And then si Ma'am Misa Menchian naman is 47 years old from Leyte. Yung sakit naman ni Ma'am is stage 4 breast cancer. Okay? Diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer since December 2016. So, instead of taking the advice of the doctor na magkaroon ng chemotherapy, no, ni-reject po niya. Instead, nag-take po siya ng different food supplements. Until, meron pong nag-reach out sa kanya na na-introduce yung Pirtia Placenta. So, she decided to take 6 capsules per day since January 5, 2017. So, from 20.7, yung tumor marking, naging 13.5 na lang in just 10 weeks. Then after that, ito na po siya. So, she's now a survivor of cancer and a full-time distributor of Freeway. Yan po. Nakita ko siya personally last December of 2018 sa Singapore. And I really took the initiative na magtanong sa kanya and she said na talagang survivor na. Nawala na talaga yung cancer sa loob ng katawan. And others, ito po yung mga latest natin, no? I'm not so familiar with this testimony pero naka-recover po talaga to. And this one as well. Ito naman is si Sir is meron po siyang brain tumor. Instead na yung doctor sasabihin nila na magpa-opera na si Sir kasi hindi na po siya bumalik after the diagnosis na meron siyang brain tumor. So sabi ng doctor after 2 weeks I think na kailangan mo siya maging healthy, kailangan siya mag-eat ng healthy foods, then dapat bumalik siya. Pero hindi siya nakabalik. So pagbalik niya po, recovered na siya. Wala na siyang dapat na wala na operahan kasi wala nang tumor eh. So, naka-recover si sir. And right now, no, fully recovered. And bumata pa si sir. Yan, before and after. Yan po. So, ito naman po is isa po sa mga events natin under Red Footprint. So, we have Monday event, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Every day actually, yung event natin, no? And this one po, yan, isa sa mga event natin. So, ito po yung event ni Jed, no? Isa apply natin, no? Si Jed Boitrago. So, I advise you to also attend to these events po. Yan. Diba, ang daming event to give us knowledge how we are going to start with this advocacy, and as well as yung mga knowledge kung paano natin sasagutin yung mga tanong ng mga pasyente natin if we are just new to the business. Yan. Ito naman si Sir Rex, siya po yung founder ng Red Footprint. Siya po talaga nag-initiate ng online na platform na makakatulong sa atin upang mas maintindihan natin yung Pretty Placenta and doing this advocacy. Yan po. So, 7 po yan. 7 po siya na events under Red Footprint po. Yan. So, I'm already done with the presentation talking about Pretty Placenta. But if you want to proceed, so I would like to proceed with the business presentation na natin. Okay? So, if you want to know more, know how to do this as a extra extra income mo, no? Gagawin mo siya as part-time, you should listen to this. Okay, so what you're going to do is you have to register yourself to become a Riwi distributor. By the time you avail our product, it's either 1 bottle, 2 bottles, you'll get a registration for free. Whether you do this or not, meron ka pa ring account. As long as you communicate, no, you have a transaction with a legit distributor. Kailangan po legit. Kasi may iba dyan, no, kumakalat ngayon na hindi naman talaga legit, no, nagbebenta lang po sila ng product. They are not doing the advocacy actually. They are just selling. Meron namang iba na they are just copying the product, hindi talaga legit yung product din. So, yung first na gagawin is you have to register, you have to transact to a legit distributor, and you need a sponsor. Yung katransact nyo po, yung legit distributor, yan po yung sponsor nyo. So, your sponsor must be a Riwi distributor. You receive a Riwi account ID number or PHID once your purchase has been completed. So, ito po yung mga benefits na makukuha natin in joining Riwi or in having this registration or account. So, yung account po nyo is free. That's number 1. And then number 2 is lifetime po siya until you're there, no? Existing pa rin po yung account no. Now, if you notice that you're not really healthy anymore and hindi mo na po nagagawa yung business mo, you can transfer it to your family. Any family member will do. And this account po is international. So yung sinabi ko kanina ng mga branches, you can do the business outside, no? Outside the Philippines. Halimbawa, gusto ka pumunta ng Japan. So may branch po tayo doon, may office tayo doon. You can still work out the business. Or if may client kayo sa Denmark, no? Sinabi ko kanina. Or sa Czech Republic. So we have an office there. So pwede silang pumunta doon, diretso na sila doon, then kukunin niyo yung products. Then we also have commissions and products. So commissions, ibig sabihin, we have a bonus if by the time that you reach someone, natulungan mo siya, then you'll get the commission out of helping someone. Then you also get free products by having this, yung tawag natin na product points. Ayan. So, yung sinabi ko kanina din, how much is the therapy? It will cost you, yung diamond entry package will cost you 135,000 as you start. Okay, so that's 7 bottles. So get a minimum 7 bottles of Pretty Placenta, maximize your income potential with 3 business unit. Ibig sabihin, may 3 accounts ka na under your name. Hindi siya pwedeng 3 name. Dapat isang name lang siya sa 3 accounts. So, income maximizer setup. Ibig sabihin din, pag may 3 accounts ka, ibig sabihin, thrice din yung potential income mo. So, you can also save over 14,000 with this package. Ayan. Because, meron na siyang discount kasi 20,880, no, times 7 mo siya, 146 po yan. So, hindi po yung 135. May discount po na binibigay si company. Yung ano naman, yung 3,000, it will be parang mababalik sa iyo after a month as points. Then you can encash it as cash, as good as cash sa company, direct to the company. Now, if you don't want that, yung 135,000, you have an option to avail our 4 bottles, which is platinum package. Yung kanina po is 10% po yung makukuha mo every time someone purchase from you. So 10% from the 135. Now, or any purchase na kinuha nila. Now, this one naman, platinum package, 10% din yung magiging bonus mo. Pero the difference is, yung sa kanina is 3 accounts po yun. Ito naman 1 account lang. So, that's 79,900 pesos, 4 bottles. Then, gold package naman is 9% na lang yung makukuha mo na bonus from your clients, your patients na mag-avail sa'yo. Then, you have to invest 41,760 for 2 bottles. And then, ito namang silver package is 8% na lang yung makuha mo na bonus by the time you register as a silver. So, you have to invest 20,880 sa 1 bottle. So, you'll get immediately the bottle by the time you register. Yan. Okay, so, how to do this as business? You have to consider, no, before you start climbing your ladder of success, see to it that you are leaning on the right wall. So, ibig sabihin, dapat meron kang right na system in order to do this. So, it's a good thing na you also give your time to watch this video para mas malaman nyo po in detail kung ano yung mga dapat gawin as you start kung bago pa lang po kayo. Number 1, okay, as you start climbing your ladder to success is you have to use the product. Okay? Kung hindi naman kayo yung may immediate na concern and you want to use the product, you have to really use the product. And you have to see to it that you document yourself. Let's say, for example, you take a selfie or take a video kung ano nangyayari sa'yo physically or magpa-lab test ka. Kailangan po yun. Kung yung father nyo naman or yung family member yung may sakit, yun, kailangan din yun. Pareho din. Then, you have to see to it na meron tayong mga lab results. And then, by the time, after you use the product, no, you have to build your story by, yung sinatawag natin na documentation. And i-share mo rin siya. The third one is to share sa mga kilala nyo po. So, hindi pwede na kayo lang yung nakakaalam because how can you actually help these people kung hindi nyo po i-share yung story natin by taking the product. Okay? Then, pang-apat po is you have to learn the business. How po? By listening to different testimonies and presentations like this one and i-familiarize nyo po yung presentation. And the fifth one is you have to duplicate. Ibig sabihin, you have to also orient other people know how to start this business like me. No, right now I'm orienting you. I'm giving you an orientation so that you can actually start doing this as your own business or advocacy. So, ganyan lang po simple yung business natin. Now, as you start po, may 4 lang kayo na natulungan. Okay? Na nakapag-start, nag-take, and then eventually do this as part-time income or business or advocacy. Now, yung 4 na yun po, 4 lang din yung natulungan nila. Okay? Sa second month, for example. And then, magdo-duplicate lang din yan, no? Mag-4 pa rin yan, no? May natulungan din yan, yung 16, may natulungan na 4 din. And then, as we go along, naging 256 po siya, then 340 katao. Now, anong nangyayari? Hatiin po natin yung 340 katao. Okay, nag-start tayo ng 4, so 2 sa kabila, hanggang umabot siya ng 170 sa kabila, 170 sa kabila. Now, yung per 170 na yon, kung meron silang na-release na 4 sets per month, so magkakaroon kayo ng 680 sets per month. Kasi 4 times 170 equals to 680 sets per month. So magkakaroon kayo ng tinatawag na 680 development bonuses per month. Now, if we're going to convert that to peso, okay, so that's 12,000 per, yung income nyo po is 12,000 per development bonus. Now, if 680 development bonus po siya per month times 12,000, that's 8.16 million per month. So, maganda na po ba siya na income as part-time? Now, kung hindi po siya reality for you, hindi po siya nakita as reality for you as of now, you can have this one. What if yung 340 naging half lang po siya? Naging 170 lang po yung tao natin na natulungan natin in all, like 4 months time. So you still get 4 million a month. Now, kung hatin pa rin natin, naging 25% na lang siya, ibig sabihin, yung 340 po, compute natin, okay? So, ito po siya. So, 340 times multiply by 25%, that's only 85 people. So, 85 divide 2, 42 sa kabila, 42 sa kabila na tao. So, that's 2 million per month pa rin po. Now, kung 10% na lang po ng 340, that's 34 divide 2, that's 17 katao sa kabila, 17 katao sa kabila na magkakaroon ng sales na 4 sets per month. That's 800,000 per month pa rin po. So, 'di ba? Nakakatulong talaga siya sa atin. Okay, as we start, one set lang po tayo, nag-avail lang tayo ng 135, and then nagmo-multiply na po yung income natin. So what we're going to do is just to start now. You're here right now, you're using the product, then you have to build your story and share it, and then learn and duplicate and achieve your goals along the way. If you're trying to achieve 800,000 as you start, you can set that goal. And eventually, makukuha mo yung gusto mo na mga wants in the future. Kung gusto mo na magkaroon ng bahay, lupa, no, you can do that. And then, kung gusto mo na 2 million, 4 million, you can still do that. Ayan po. So, yung company naman natin is nothing but the best. We have a very organized company, no? As you can see, naka-ano po ako ngayon, naka-formal attire po ako ngayon kasi ito po yung isa sa mga culture ng company natin. This company is a billion-dollar company, no? Why I say? Because umabot na po yung revenue ng $1 billion. So, a cutting-edge technology because we have a biotechnology and regenerative medicine. Okay? Nagre-regenerate po yung medicine natin sa cells natin. Then, product that works, highest paying compensation plan, as far as I know. Yeah, we are the highest paid distributors or advocates, no, in worldwide, and zero risk because either you are going to do this business or not, no, na-enjoy mo pa rin yung product and nakakatulong ka pa sa iba, sa family mo, like for example. A culture that brings the best in you because before I joined Riway, hindi po ako nag-formal attire actually. No, hindi po ako into doing this presentation. No, I'm not really familiar with this kind of technology. Anything that relates to food supplements because I'm a real estate agent before. But right now, I'm full-time advocate of Freeway because of their system, their platform. Yan po. So, all you have to do is join the biggest, the loudest, the strongest Freeway team in the World Wide Web, not just in the internet, but also actual, no? Sa land base. So, we have a Red Footprint. We are under Red Footprint. I am a Freeway Triad na group, no? So, you just have to engage in these groups para makastart po kayo. So, teamwork is the secret that makes ordinary people achieve extraordinary results because we are team here. So, we want to make sure na nakukuha nyo po yung right information from us, from the company. So, start a career, secure your future and future generations. I think that's the end of my presentation. If you have more questions po, you have to comment down below para malaman po natin, or you can message me through my Facebook page, that's Sales and Success PH, or you can message me in my Facebook account, that's Louis Pure. Yan po. So, that's the end. That's what I can share for now. So, I hope you enjoy listening and watching our video presentation. So, once again, this is Louis Pure and you're watching my video presentation. Thank you po. So, Riwi Triad, yan po, and Red Footprint.